Today we're going to learn how to make a brown sugar lip scrub by using everyday household items. Want to learn how? Just keep on watching. So the first thing that we're going to need is a bowl, some brown sugar. I have light brown sugar and I also have a finer grain, so that way this doesn't damage your lips. Some vanilla extract, some olive oil, a spoon for mixing, and a container to store your lip scrub in. First, we're going to take our bowl and we're going to pour some brown sugar in. The amount that you pour just depends on the size of your container. And then we're going to take our spoon and make sure we remove all the lumps out of the sugar. Now we're going to add in our olive oil. The kind of olive oil that you have doesn't make a difference. This is just what I had in my kitchen. And I'm gonna pour enough to cover the brown sugar. Then we're going to add our vanilla extract. I'm gonna add about 3 or 4 drops. This is just to give it a nice scent and a nice taste in case it gets in your mouth. I wouldn't eat this, but it is edible in case it does get into your mouth. This is to help exfoliate any dead skin, especially during the winter time. What you want to do is after you mix it all together, you're going to put a little bit on your lips, probably this much. As you can see, the consistency is not too thick but not watery. And you're going to rub it on your lips like this to get all of that dead skin off. After about a minute of rubbing both of your lips, you're going to take some warm water on a paper towel or a washcloth, and then you're going to remove this from your lips. Afterwards, you're going to see that your lips are super smooth, and then you follow up with your favorite lip treatment. So that can be Vaseline, that can be chapstick, lip gloss, just to lock in the moisture. You can also use this mixture as a body exfoliant, so you can use this as a body scrub, and you can also use it as a facial scrub. So that's how you make your own brown sugar lip scrub using everyday household items. Thanks for watching.